I'm en route to see this Vauxhall Corsa that's just come up for sale. Let's see if we could buy the car and flip it for a profit. It's currently up for £2,500 and I'm going to offer the guy £2 grand.
Nice to meet you. Wow.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. Anything wrong with it at all or no?
No. Just done full service on the car, MOT, all went well.
Now I'm checking the engine bay and the coolant is below the minimum level, so that might be a red flag.
It changed the pipe from the water coolant not long ago. It was like a leak.
The moment of truth, let's start the car up and see how the engine runs. The engine seems like it runs fine. The car drives really well, now it's time to negotiate on the price. So we buy any car, offer £1,700 for the car. And Motorway offer £1,900 for the car. Before I came to see the car, I gave the guy an offer of £2,000. The price now, I'm happy to take it for £2 grand today, right now.
You need to consider that I've been looking after the car. Car never had problems. But 2,000 mate is a bit too low mate for me, I'm sorry. I cannot just give it away for the 2,000 only. Why don't we meet in the middle? Come with 2,000, I say 2,500, 2,250.
I've only got the £2 grand, that's the thing. As I said, that's all I got, the £2 grand.
It doesn't work like that, mate. I cannot just say yes.
I spoke on it before anyway. I said that was my offer. I'm not here to waste your time and hug you and stuff. Like, that's my offer. I'm not going to move on it. So if you ever change your mind, just let me know. I'd always buy it. So
2,250 mate is what I can ask you. I'm sorry.
2,000 is what I could do, innit? I can't do any more than that, unfortunately, yeah. After going back and forth, I actually bought the car in the end. The first time I went to see the car, the guy didn't take my offer of £2,000, so I walked away from the sale. And after thinking about it, and we've been chatting for the last couple of days, he took my offer and I've now bought the car, so yeah. So this is the car, a 2015 Vauxhall Corsa, and it's got pretty good spec. It's got front parking sensors. These fog light surrounds are definitely gonna need to be resprayed. So the car's in good condition, but it does have two issues. The first issue is the clutch pedal is squeaking. So if you can hear that, it's very creaky, the clutch pedal. And the second issue is the reverse camera does not work. So it's got 101,000 miles on the clock. It's had 2 owners. It's just been serviced and it's just had an MOT. So the interior of the car is really clean. And to be fair, it's a good car. It drives really well. Then I saw the Citroen DS3 1.6 THP for sale on Facebook Marketplace for £1,800. So let's go see the car and see how low we could get the price. How comes you're selling it then?
I got a new car.
Oh, right, okay.
So that's the only reason. I had the airbag replaced recently. That was the recall thing.
Coolant's fine. Engine oil's also fine. Should we go for a little drive to see how it drives? Yeah. Well, have you had many messages about it or?
I've actually had loads because I wasn't expecting to sell it. So
yeah.
I put it up.
Yeah, it's probably best selling it that way than going to like, will you buy any car or something?
Yeah, exactly. That's basically what I've been doing.
Obviously I offered you a little bit more than what the trade value is, but it looked like a pretty clean car really.
Work this week, so
yeah. Could you do 1,400?
Rather just do 1,450 just because that's what we've said.
Yeah, I looked at the price of the brake pads and discs and stuff and it was a bit more than I thought. For the rear, that's the only reason why I said 1,400.
I'd rather do 1,450 and then you could just have it today. Otherwise I'll just because I've got like other similar offers.
Have another look around it and see if I can do it or not. Alright, yeah, that's fine. I'll do the 1,450. Bought this DS3. Nice little car, guys. This is the car that I bought, a Citroen DS3 1.6 THP. The only issue with the car is this dent in the boot lid. I'm not sure if it's worth replacing it or not. If it turns people off, then I end up replacing it. But if someone will buy it as it is, I'll probably just leave it on there. When I got home, I gave the car clean and polish, and this is how it turned out. And then I put the car up for sale on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree. And this is how the first viewing went.
I had a look online, type it in to be valued. It was valued at 1,900
on the HPI check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to take it for a spin as well?
I think it's better.
To go on the drive, I'd have to put on some temporary insurance because I ain't got any insurance. Obviously, that's if you're serious, isn't it?
You're gonna have to test drive it, aren't you?
Yeah, I know.
If you like it, we buy it today, innit?
The intention is...
Yeah, that's fine. Alright.
Today.
I'll put some insurance on it right now to just settle your mind anyway.
The drive is quite nice, to be fair.
Yeah, we could go in the motorway and stuff as well. So you can have a good test for it, innit? Like, just to make sure you're happy with it.
Yeah, I suppose it's probably not a bad idea. But it is nice to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a nice drive. Yeah, we'll have a little like 5-10 minute chat and then...
Yeah, that's fine. If anything you need to check,
yeah.
feel free to check it. It's got all the paperwork here.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I need to quickly nip in Tesco anyway.
Right, yeah, should we just do snipping Tesco?
Yeah, that's fine.
Back round there.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. It just wasn't like really like the type of car I thought it was gonna be, and but thanks anyway. I think we're just gonna have to keep looking, to be honest. It was a bit of a red flag because he told me he's going to see a couple of cars anyway, so he probably just came for a joyride. So the first guy didn't buy the car. I'm not really sure why, but the next day someone else came to see the car.
Nice to meet you. Have you had it?
Not that long, because I buy it to sell it. I buy and sell cars, so that's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do.
Do you mind if I hop in and just give it a little bit?
Yeah, of course, do what you need to do, man. So I let them do their thing and check the car over to make sure they're happy with the car.
Is your main gig or is it like just side?
This is what I do. I used to have a unit when I was like 22. But like just the overheads were too much, so you just ate all the money to buy cars.
Hard to find though, aren't they? Sometimes?
What, cars?
Yeah,
No, it is.
The right
It
way,
is.
you
It
know
is. After they checked the car over, we then went on a test drive.
So you had a unit before, yeah?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Yeah, comes with overheads and all that.
Yeah, I had about 8 cars in the unit, but Christmas time around this sort of period, the trade gets slow.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've got the unit rent to pay, trade insurance and all that stuff, and also my wages and my bills where I live. We're just eating out the stock money basically. Went from 8 cars to like 4. I was like, nah, I've got to leave this place.
Nice and tight, thank you, really knocked in.
You got it?
Yeah, I
Sweet.
got it, yeah.
Alright, well,
Saw your taxes.
pleasure doing business.
Nice to
with
meet you guys, yeah.
Alright, take steady.
Yeah. Hopefully you enjoy the car, yeah?
Yeah, hopefully.
The Citroen DS3 is sold within 3 days of putting it up for sale. I bought the car for £1,450 and the car sold for £2,250. The DS3 is now sold, now it's time to get the Vauxhall Corsa ready for sale. The first thing to do is try to fix this reverse camera that's not working. So as you can see, none of the wires are broken, so it may be the camera itself. Let's take this plastic panel off. It literally should just clip off like that. Now the plastic trims off and just checking all the wires to see if any of the wires are broken. And the wires are all fine. I do have a spare reverse camera, so I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. The moment of truth. Did replacing the camera work? No, it didn't work. So obviously the camera is not the issue. The issue is somewhere else. Right, so let's check the wiring to see if any wires have broken anywhere. And at the moment there's a lot of wires that's tied up and stuff, so you don't really know if something's broken somewhere. So after checking all the wires, I found no broken wires, so the next thing to do is to check if the reverse camera is getting any power. So I've just realised that this wire here is split, so I'm going to try to replace it and see what happens. Hopefully that's what the issue is. So I've got a little tool that's going to tell me if I'm getting any power from the reverse camera, so let's try it and see. So this should light up if there's any power, so I'm going to put this on here for the ground. Well, as you can see, it lights up, so that means the reverse camera is getting power. Just tested the power wire and that's also getting power, so I don't think power is the issue. Maybe it's a connection issue. So the next thing to do is to take the dashboard apart to check if the reverse camera is actually connected to the head unit. With all the plastic trims now off, it's now time to remove the radio. So I've got the radio out, and this wire here, I'm guessing is the one for the reverse camera. So I'm going to get all of this off and see where this goes and just check the connections and see if everything's connected. So to make sure the issue isn't this wire, I've got a new wire that I'm going to route to the back of the car straight across before I take everything apart to see if the wire is causing the issue or not. Now I'm just disconnecting the old cable to install the new one. I'm doing the same thing to the wires at the back of the car, and hopefully this solves the issue. Right, the moment of truth, does the rear camera work? It's still not working, guys. Drop a comment down below what you guys think it could be.